Today we're showing you a 1995 Ford 3930 tractor. Tractor has approximately 2,700 hours on it. It's a nice, clean, good running little tractor yet. Traded this tractor in from a fella in Michigan who was simply upgrading to a four-wheel drive newer tractor. Tractor's nice yet. There's no known mechanical issues with the machine. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is. But again, no known mechanical issues with the tractor. It's got the front block heater here plugged into your hose. 3-cylinder Ford diesel engine. Obviously no emissions on the tractor. The paint is nice. Tires are good. It's got the 8-speed transmission. Differential lock. It's got dual hydraulics on it. Just over 2,700 hours. Tires are good front and back. Certainly not a new tractor, but it certainly has a lot of life in it yet. We did not get a drawbar or a top link with the tractor, so that's the way it will be selling. Again, it does have the dual rear hydraulics back here, stabilizer bars. Nice clean unit. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please give us a call, 330-359-5405, or visit us on the web at masttractor.com.